It's here! What is up, guys? Jeremy here, back with another video. Got some stuff to show you guys. The moment we've all been waiting for, well, me anyways, guys. I've been waiting on this for freaking forever. Sorry for the goofy intro. I've got it. It is here. I'm gonna show you guys. Super freaking stoked on this. You do not even understand. Let's go ahead and get to it. So you guys are probably wondering, why the hell is Jeremy so excited right now? I'm gonna show you guys right now. Show it to you. Got a little glare here, but that's alright. I have never in my life used a spec product, but it's gonna happen. I'm hoping the next video will be with the clutch installed. God almighty, there it is, spec stage 3 clutch. Yes, your boy also went and got the flywheel. No, I did not do aluminum. Went with the steel flywheel. There she is. Oh my god, she's beautiful. Oh my god. I've done this in an old video, gonna do it again. Freaking shout out to O'Reilly's. Oh my god. I looked everywhere for a throwout bearing. I looked everywhere for a pilot bearing. Just so happened to be driving back from Cars and Coffee this morning. Guess who I see at O'Reilly's? Freaking Hope. Oh my god. Thank you so much. I roll up in there, I'm like, by any chance, would you have a throwout bearing? She couldn't find it, but she ended up going on her phone, Google. I don't know how she found it, because I looked forever, but Googled it, got the part number. So we've got here Master Pro. This is going to be our throwout bearing right here. And went ahead and got the pilot bearing. I figured go ahead and do this just in case it needs it. I don't know what this clutch looks like. I don't know what any clutch components look like right now. So went ahead and got that. God, I can't wait. I cannot freaking wait. So a lot of you guys have already been watching the channel for a while. This car is no stranger to you. My 2015 Chevy SS Camaro, underbadged to an RS. God, it's clean. Shout out DinoX, guys. I'm gonna put a discount code in the description so you guys can get, I think it's 15% off or 10% off of orders over 25 bucks. Might be 50 bucks, I don't know. But I do have a discount for you guys, so go check that out. But here's the car. Let's actually get back so you guys can see it. Washed it last night. It was pretty cold, but had to get it washed up for Cars and Coffee. But there it is. Of course, in the messy garage. Got some lizard turds back there. I do bug stuff for my job, so I know what that is. That's some skink poop right there. But anyways, there she is. And she will be getting a new clutch very soon. Freaking love this car. Huge, huge plans for this car. That's it, guys. That is my car for those new to the channel. A big shout out to everybody who has subscribed to the channel. Another thing I want to talk about, guys, which actually, let's go inside. Another thing I want to talk about, guys, a new sponsor. Super happy to have them aboard on the channel. Owner's name is Chris. Super cool guy. He is the owner operator of Winans Motorsports out in San Antonio, Texas. Be sure to check them out, guys. I think he's got a t-shirt and a sticker he's sending over here, so can't wait to get that. But, you know, Chris, I've talked to him a little bit on Instagram, which I'm assuming it's Chris I've been talking to. But, you know, he's been super awesome, super helpful already. Now, the plan is, guys, I thought about turbo, but I still want to pro charge the Camaro. I'm thinking this deal with Winans Motorsports is going to really help out with that. I'm hoping, and I mean hoping, so don't get too excited. Next year, I want to have the car pro charged. Yeah, it's a stretch, but I'm going to start putting in some hours at work, try to get some more commission, and save up for this, guys, because my dream is to have this car boosted. And what I want to do is take it up there to Winans Motorsports in Texas, have them install it, have them tune it. Since they are my new sponsor, I want to deal directly with them now as far as anything tuning related, install, all that good stuff. So really hoping I can trailer the car there. Might just have to drive it. We're going to kind of play it by ear and see what happens, but super excited about that. Big shout out Winans Motorsports. Really do appreciate the sponsorship. I feel like we got some good stuff gonna go down together in the future. So big shout out to Winans. Anyways guys, sorry, another short video. Like I said, I've been crazy busy. I want to bring you some good content. I want to try and go out and film the install on this clutch. Don't know if that's gonna happen. It's probably gonna be getting installed on a Monday. So it's going to be kind of tough to get out there with my work schedule. I'm tired all the time, so I don't know if I can have a late night, but I'm going to try and do it for YouTube. Drop a comment below if you want to see the car at the shop, getting this new spec stage 3 clutch in. I've been needing a clutch for quite some time now. I'm super excited about this. Like you guys, you don't even understand. Hoping it helps the car out. Definitely I think it's going to help out at the track. Man, it's just great. I actually got this from a guy at work, has a company, so he got me a pretty good deal on this, and that's honestly one of the reasons I went with spec. It's because they're not crazy overpriced to begin with, and I just got a deal I couldn't pass up on this, so went ahead and got it. Same thing with install. A couple guys I used to work with are looking out for me on that, so I got away with everything for a little under $1,000 so can't go wrong with that. Anyways guys, I will see you on the next video. Not sure what it's going to be yet, but definitely going to work something out. Like I said, it's just been extremely tough lately. I don't want to skip on any uploads, so I've been trying to crank these videos out and get something out for you guys to watch. But that's it guys, new clutch going in, well, 2 days from now. So by the time you guys see this, the car's already going to be in the shop, hopefully done. But that's it guys, as always, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.